All right, so we're back a week later. I'm going on a cruise today. Me and the homie. We're on the way to the gas station right now. Just need some gas before I go on this. Looks like it is sprinkling a bit, but I think we should be fine. I don't think it's gonna last too long. That's the homie right there behind. Can't really see him. The BMW 335i. Alright, so we're on the way now. Just filled up on 91. Got a full tank. Yeah, so we're going back kind of towards that same back road I was on the last video. But just it's gonna take us through a different route now to get to this location. It's pretty sick. I haven't been there yet. I've been in the area, but I haven't been to that actual spot. There's a bit of rain. Hopefully it doesn't get any worse. I don't think it will, but suppose it's supposed to stop in like an hour. And the drive is like an hour, so hopefully it's not too bad. So the rain isn't letting up. It actually got worse. Oh, look at all the cows. So last time we were here, we went left. Now we're going right. I actually haven't been back here before when it's been raining. Whenever it rains, I never really come down here, but we had this plan already for like, we planned this like a week ago. Kind of looks nice with the rain though, I'm not gonna lie. So we just left the first part of the back roads. Then it's kind of like detouring through this town, and then go back into the back roads. We didn't want to take highway just because. Look at that house. Sick ass house. I like little areas like this. I think it's pretty cool. Reminds me of like movies. I don't know why. Like this is like a town you see in a movie, you know? What's this guy doing, man? Yeah, these tires pick up everything. Whenever I go over like little rocks or gravel or something. Oh, look, a little burger spot. It's pretty cool. So we're entering the back roads again. It's kind of straight from here, and then it kind of gets curvy, but should be there soon. Well, 53 minutes, but we'll see how it goes. Damn, that fucking guy was zooming right there. What the fuck? That shit scared the fuck out of me. That guy was gonna hit me, bro. Didn't expect it to be raining this much, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, we're getting closer to the coast, so I mean, I can imagine it's gonna be more, but I looked at the forecast, it didn't say it was gonna be raining like this. At least in this area, but we'll see by the time we get there. So the rain doesn't seem to be getting any better. It's actually kind of getting worse. It's kind of sick actually. I haven't done this in the rain yet. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but I can see a little bit of blue sky, so hopefully it clears up. But I can definitely see some blue through the tint. I brought my other camera, see if I can get some better quality video. We'll see. It's getting pretty light now. It's like just sprinkling, but you can see the blue sky. Yeah, the rain has definitely calmed down a lot from the drive, but you can see it's clearing up.
In 1.6 miles, take a sharp right turn.
Damn, that's a motherfucking eagle hawk or some shit. What the? Wow. It's cold though. Woo, damn! Take a video for the snap. Holy shit. Damn. Dude, this is hella nice. I've never been here before, so I don't know where I'm turning and shit. That's crazy. This road is kind of sick. Oh, this guy's popping. I don't know if you guys have heard that.
Take a sharp right turn. Then the destination is on your left.
This is so cool. Damn! We here at Gold Rock, you feel me? With homie Eric. Hey! Motherfucker, dude. Got the whips right here. Yeah. From the Titanic.
The water's clear here though.
Yeah, it looks hella nice. Man, what is that though, bro? Man, what is this though? It's like a train, bro. Oh no, it's a tank. Look.
Over here's a tank.
Motherfucking tank, bro. Yeah, this is the cool little spot over here. With the Beamer. And the truck type R. Burness. Feel me? Show the back, bro. Show the back. Show the back. Fuck, I don't want to get these dirty, bro. Fuck. Fuck it. Oh, I gotta wash these motherfuckers now. Alright, I think that's it for this video. We're not gonna do much else. We're just gonna go back, probably grab some food and go home. But yeah, this was the trip. Hopefully I got enough footage and it was cool. Yeah, once again, I don't know really what to record. I don't really go out a lot, you know. I just go to work and that's pretty much it. I go to work, go to the gym, and sometimes I do stuff like this with my friends. So whenever I guess I do things like this, I'll make videos, which hopefully I can do more often. I plan on going out more, especially now with this car. put some miles on it, you know. But yeah, I mean, the last video that I posted got, I mean, it surprised me how many views it got and how the support the video got. So I really appreciate that from the people who saw the last video. Hopefully you're watching this one as well. But yeah, I'm gonna get home. We're gonna grab some food, get home. I'm gonna start editing the video. But yeah, we're here, Bodega Bay, Northern California. So yeah, it was a cool little trip. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.